lasses and lassies. We're going all the way up to Scotland. I'll take the high road and you'll take the low road. And I'll get to Scotland before ye. Yeah, you know, reading those. This city is gonna be tired in the Irn Bru. Yes, it's Irn Bru. Original and best, it says on here. Brewed in Scotland with a secret recipe since 1901, lads. Let me see, the writing is small and kind of dark in here. I got a little light. Let's see. Sparkling flavored soft drink with sugar and sweeteners. Citric acid. Water, sugar. Flavorings. Aspartame and all the other great ingredients that make a soda. Sunset yellow. Yes, this is Scotland soda. Kept on, widely recycled. Irn Bru. 99p. 99p. I don't know what that 99p means. But we're going to find out if this is good. Or does it taste like 99p? And I gotta control this light. God damn it. We'll see if this is good. Or does it taste like 99p? I'll take the high road and you'll take the low road, and I'll get in before ye. Each serving contains energy, fat, saturates, sugars, and salt. It is a label. This is a Scottish label. Oh, so here we go. We'll see if this is good or if this is something that needs to be thrown in a wee trash can. Hi, hi, hi. Boom, 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 boom. Irn Bru, let's see what you can do. Taste really familiar. Tastes somewhat like those champagne colas that are around here, the Inca Cola. Not the best, not the worst. I'm gonna give this a score that makes all the lads and ladies in Scotland go right crazy. And right now, a 69. Or should I say, a 6.9. Top of the evening for you.